Is your Microsoft Rewards account suddenly suspended, leaving you locked out of earning those sweet reward points? Account suspensions can happen for various reasons, but don't worry. This video will walk you through appealing the decision and hopefully getting your account back on track. First, let's understand why suspensions occur. Common causes include suspicious activity like using bots or scripts, using a VPN to spoof your location, or violating Microsoft's terms of service. Now, let's jump into the appeal process. Head over to the Microsoft Rewards support page. You can find the link in the description below. Here, you'll find information about account suspensions and a link to the appeal form. Fill out the appeal form carefully and honestly. Be sure to provide all the requested information, including your account details and a detailed explanation of why you believe the suspension was unwarranted. In your explanation, be polite and respectful. Clearly state your case, explain any misunderstandings, and assure Microsoft that you'll abide by their terms of service in the future. After submitting your appeal, be patient. Microsoft will review your case, which can take a few days or even a week. Check your email regularly for updates. If your appeal is successful, your account will be reinstated, and you can get back to earning rewards. If not, carefully review Microsoft's response and consider if you can provide additional information or clarification in a follow-up. Don't let a suspension discourage you. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of regaining access to your Microsoft Rewards account and continue enjoying the benefits. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.